Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Today we get to walk you through this 2020 Sea Ray 230 SPX. This is the sport model. 230 is the 23 feet in length, white with a black hull. Got the nice big swim platform, swim platform, drop down right here. This has got the Merc 4.5 250 with the Bravo 3. So these are these twin props that counter rotate each other. So lots of control down by docks and different places. Nice walkthrough on the SPX model as well. Tower with the bimini. Lots to see on the inside. Let's go take a look. All right, well, welcome aboard this 2020 Sea Ray. Like I mentioned, we got a nice, easy walkthrough. Got some storage in both of those. And you've got a nice little step down. We've got the nice L-shaped seating. This is the gray interior. This is a backrest that does pop up, so when you're hanging out in the back, you got a place to rest your back. We've got seating on the side. We've got a co-captain's chair that's facing forward, but it does move and face aft as well. Like I said, nice seating all the way around. As you can see, there's LED lighting that lights up this entire cockpit area. And then we do have courtesy lighting as well. This boat does come with the upgraded stereo fusion system. So upgraded speakers, we got the subwoofer down there, and it does have an upgraded amplifier. You've got nice storage in the floor. You've got a place right here. This is sometimes a head, but in this boat, it just becomes a storage area. And then as we turn to the helm seat, we've got a bolster seat here for the captain. You've got the Fusion information right there. You've got your Simrad touchscreen. So it can give you a bunch of different information right at your fingertips. This boat only has 135 hours. Great place. We got the mirror right here. And then we come to the bow. Nice big bow on this 23. Again, LED lighting. Got the table set up here. And as I turn around, we got a second table. Tower with the bimini. This boat is only 135 hours, 2020 Sea Ray 230 SPX. Stop on by anytime, take a look, or give us a call to set up an appointment.